Hi kids, in today's video we are going to start with unit 1, which is about numbers to hundred thousands. So let's start. Kids, this unit is basically a quick recap of the unit that we covered in previous grade 2. Let's start. One block is equals 1 1. This is one block, it means this is one unit. Group of 10 blocks is equals to 110. So here a group is considered as one unit having 10 blocks in it. So we will say 110. Here is an example given to us. How many tens and ones are in 53? When we break 53 into tens and ones, we find 5 tens. It means 5 tens. 5 times we have 10 group of 10 blocks. So it means we have 5 groups of 10 blocks. This is 5 tens and 3 individual units. This is 3 ones. So it becomes 53. As you can see here, it is described over here. There are 5 tens. They represent 50 blocks. There are 3 ones. They represent 3 blocks. So 53 is equals, we can write 5 tens and 3 ones. Or mathematically we can write 53 equals 50 plus 3. Let's move to the next page. Now here we have a very simple exercise in which it says count the blocks, write the tens and ones. We have been given some blocks over here as individual units as ones highlighted with color purple, and the red ones are the tens. So let's start. Let's count 1, 2, 3. We have 3 tens, so we are supposed to write 3 over here. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 ones. So we are supposed to write 6 ones over here. 6. So it becomes 36, which we can break into 3 tens and 6 ones. The next one is 1 and 2. It means we have 2 tens over here. Next one we have only 1 10. So we are supposed to write 1. So it becomes 21. Let's move ahead. Write the number of tens and ones. Here you have to break it on your own. First one has been done for you. 42 equals 4 tens and 2 ones. So 84 equals 8 tens and 4 ones. Similarly, we have 30. It means 3 tens and 0 ones. Then we have 35. It means 3 tens and 5 ones. Similarly, the next part of the exercise says write tens and ones but in a mathematical manner. As the first one has been done to us, 63 has been broken into 60 plus 3. So this is very simple exercise because you will do it on your own and we'll check the answers in one of my coming videos. Let's move to the next page. So let's look at this example here. We can find 1, 2, 3 and 4 group of 10 blocks. This is 4 tens and 7 single units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it means 7 ones. So it becomes 47, or we can say 4 tens and 7 ones equals 47. What here we have to do is we have to read tens and ones and we have to write the sum up number, as 5 tens and 3 ones equals 53. So 6 tens and 2 ones equals 62. Next, 7 tens and 4 ones equals 74. Similarly, 4 tens and 9 ones are 49. Next, 8 tens and 5 ones, 85. Then we have 2 tens and 7 ones, 27. So here we have done this part of the exercise. I hope you are remembering and recalling side by side the concepts that we covered in the previous grade. So this whole unit is just a recap of the major topic that we cover in mathematics, that is numbers to 100 or thousands or ones, and dividing them into the ones. Let's move to the next page. Here you can see 10 tens joined together make 100. So kids, if you remember, these are the 10 blocks, 10 in a group, and when we combine them, it become 100. So after ones and tens, we have moved a step ahead of hundreds. How many hundreds, tens and ones are in 146? So when we break 146, it becomes 100, 4 tens and 6 ones. Or you can say there is 100, 4 tens and 6 ones in 146. Here we have to write tens, ones and hundreds. Similarly, the first one has been done for us. 186 has been broken into 100, 8 tens and 6 ones. What about 519? This is 5 hundreds, 1 tens and 9 ones. Similarly, 365, 3 hundreds, 6 tens and 5 ones. So you will do it the last one on your own, kids, so that we can check the understanding. Next exercise is the same of the same pattern that we covered in the previous pages, to count the blocks and write, this time with hundreds, tens and ones. The first one I will be doing for you. The rest is very simple. You can do it on your own. So let's count the hundreds. This is one block of 100 blocks. So we'll write 1 hundreds. Then 1. Then we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 ones. So we are supposed to write 5 over here. So it becomes 145 because it has 1 hundreds, 4 tens and 5 ones. Rest are very simple and will be done according to the same pattern. So you will be doing on your own. Here, as you can see, how many hundreds, tens and ones are in 159? This is on the same pattern. You can say there is 100, 5 tens and 9 ones. Let's suppose if we say Ali has 3 coins. The number on the coin shows it is place value. 1, 10 and 100. Look at this example. 100, 2 tens and 5 ones. So it becomes 125. Similarly, what we have to do here, we have to count hundreds, tens and ones and write the number. Hundreds, 2 hundreds, 2 tens, and 1, 2 and 3 ones. So it becomes 223. You have to do this last one on your own because it is very simple. You have to just break up. It's already mentioned, you highlighting the colors over here, and you can see the colors have been given over here. What if we say that Ali has 10 coins of 100 each? It means If he has 100 coin, it means 100. And if he has group of 10 hundreds, it means this is 1000. So now we are numbers to 1000 concept. So if we say 2, 3, 4, 9, it means 2 thousands, 3 hundreds, 4 tens and 9 ones. Let's look here. It is 2 thousands, 9 hundreds, 1 tens and 7 ones, as you can see over here. Similarly, we have 4, 6, 2, 5, so it means 4 thousands, 6 hundreds, 2 tens and 5 ones. Next we have 5, 8, 3, 4. It means 5 thousands, 8 hundreds, 3 tens and 4 ones. So kids, the last two you will be solving on your own so that you can check whether you have understood it properly or not. So that's all from this video. I'll be back with some more. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye.